Hello, teacher and company. My name is Oscar Javier Guiu. I am studying engineering production. My company name is Ramo S.A. CEO or founder is Rafael Molano Olarte, based in Colombia. Office in Bogotá, Antioquia, Mosquera, and Palmira. Company structure is for department. 1 department production, 2 department distribution, 3 department commercialization. Type of company is food company. Main activity production and marketing of food products. Main competitor is Noel Cookies, Bimbo, and Colombina. Number of employees is 3,500. Make comparison between the company you choose and this main competitor. Element to make the comparison. The company you choose is Ramo, and main competitor is Bimbo. Element chocolate in Ramo is Chocoramo, and in Bimbo is Chocoso. The second element is brownie. In Ramo is brownie Chocoram Arequipe, and Bimbo is Mr. Brown Arequipe, Mani Arequipe. The 3 elements is cupcakes. In Ramo, your name is Ramito. In Bimbo is Bimbolet. The 4th element is patron. Ramo is Ramo traditional. Bimbo is home. The 5th element is bread. In Ramo is homemade chopped bread sandwich, and in Bimbo is artisan sandwich chopped bread. And finally, element pot stuffing. In Ramo is geese, and Bimbo is submarine. The history describes 10 important moments related to the history of the company. 1 important moment. In 1950, home production started. 1964, start production in Bogotá headquarters, San Andresito. 3 important moments. 1967, inauguration of the plant in Antioquia. 4 important moments. 1969, inauguration of the plant in Mosquera, Cundinamarca. 15 moment. 1973. Egg production as raw material for products. 6 important moments. 1979, opening of the Palmira plant in Valle del Cauca. 7 moments. And 1996 flour production in its factory of raw material. And 8 important moment. 2015, start of the transformation. 9 important moment. 2015, the new chocolate spread cream is released. And 10, in December the 2015, Chocoram start sales in the United States and manufacturing new products such as donuts, platanis, and French fries. The corporate social responsibility describes 3 actions the company is working on related to CSR. 1 action. Ramo School. It is an idea that was born from Don Rafael, who created a school to provide education to the employed children, and today some shopkeepers who share Ramo products have also benefited. 2 action. Rural Retour Foundation. In the Waikrit part of the municipality of Santa Rosa de Viterbo, Ramo is encouraged the support of rural women who make 100,000 uniforms for workers of the Ramo Business Group every year. And 3 action the company zero waste. These waste go to a food bank whereby products that are not mere table but retain the good nutritional quality of those that are donated to a food bank for vulnerable families and less favored population. Okay, thanks tutor and company. Good evening.